Welcome. This is Odumat. Please, once again, I'm entreating you to like, share, and subscribe to this channel so that if there is any new video or any new tutorials on your favorite topics, you get to be notified. Okay. Today, I want us to look at a very important and beautiful topic in mathematics. That is matrices. Okay. And matrix, what's a matrix? So a matrix is nothing but a rectangular array of numbers. So example, we have matrix A, let it be A, B, C, and then D. So this is how a matrix is. So we have order of matrix, and now this is order 2 by 2. That is 2 rows, 2 columns. So we have 2 by 2. That is, the first one is a row, then the second one is the column. The column. That is, for you to state a matrix, you look at the row first before you look at the columns. So if a matrix is having, let's say, matrix B is 2, 5, so 2, 5, 3. So this is of order 1 by 3. You go have only one row, but 3 columns. So this is 1 by 3. So the first one we need to check is the row. That is 1 row. Then followed by the column. So 1, 2, 3 columns. Okay. Let's look at another example. So we may have a matrix of this form. Let's say a matrix of this form, matrix C equals. So please, you can pause and then state what's or the order of this matrix. The order of this matrix. Then this is 1, 2, 3 rows, 1 column. So that is 3 rows, 1 column. So that is 3 by 1 matrix. Okay, let's look at types of matrix. Okay, so for types, we have plenty names given to, let's say, 2 forms. So I'm going to use the 2 main types. That is, we have the null matrix. So for null matrix, we have, let's say, matrix A equals 0, 0, 0, 0. That is, the entries are all 0. The entries are all 0. So this is a null matrix. Okay. Then we have another one that is unit matrix. So let's say matrix B, also a unit matrix, 1, 0, 0, 1. Okay. Now, why is this a unit matrix? Before then, we call this diagonal. We call this diagonal the major diagonal. And then we call this diagonal the other or the minor diagonal. So this one is called the other diagonal or the minor diagonal. And this is the major diagonal. Okay. So a matrix of this nature has the elements of the major diagonal to be 1. All 1, 1. Then that of the other diagonal or the minor diagonal to be 0, 0. Okay. So let's look at these 2 types for now. We also have another type, that is square matrix, where the entries, the number of rows are is equal to the number of columns. Now let's see this one. So we have 2 rows, then 2 columns. So this is a square matrix. We have this one to 2 rows and then 2 columns. Okay. Okay. Once again, let's look at addition and subtraction of matrix. Addition and subtraction of matrix. So we can say operations under matrix or operation of matrix. Okay. So let's say we have a matrix A that is giving us the entries A, B, C, and then D. And then we have another matrix B which has the entries E, F, G, H. Okay, now let's add A and B. So A plus B. And that is going to be the entries first. So A, B, C, D plus E, F, G, and then H. So this is going to give me A, please pay attention, A plus E, so A plus E, B plus F, so B plus F, then C plus G, C plus G, and then D plus H, D plus H. Okay, now let's look at the subtraction after I will take some few examples. That is A minus B also becomes, so A, B, C, D minus E, F, G, H. Okay, so here we do the same thing as we did over there when we're doing the addition. So A minus E, so A minus E, B minus F, B minus F, then C minus G, C minus G, and then D minus H, D minus H. Okay, so now let's look at some two examples. Okay, so let's assume we have a matrix A that is equal to 2, 3, 1, 2, and another matrix B also negative 2, 0, 1, 3. Okay, and then we are asked to add, and then so that is the first question, add, and then the second one we have to subtract, that is A minus B. Okay, first example, we have to add A and B. So A plus B is going to be, let me enter the entries. So 2, 3, 1, 2 plus 2, 0, 1, 3. Okay, so we are adding. Now this is going to give me 2 plus 2 will be 0. Then 3 plus 0 is 3. So 0. Now 1 plus 1, this is going to give me 2. And the negative 2 plus 3 becomes 1. So this is the results when you add A and B. Now let's subtract A and then B again. Okay, so 2, 3, 1, 2 minus negative 2, 0, 1, 3. Okay, so like I did earlier, 2 minus negative 2 is like 2 plus 2, so that is going to give me 4. Then 3 minus 0 becomes 3. Then 1 minus 1 is 0. And then negative 2 minus 3 is like you are owing 2 and you borrowed another 3. So that is going to be you have a debt of, or a deficit of 5. So negative 2 minus 3 becomes negative 5. Okay, so we'll meet in the next lesson for metrics. We'll continue from there. Thanks for watching. Bye.